Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the press, Your Excellencies, distinguished members of SEC. This is a communique that we have issued at the end of the Southeast Zonal Executive Committee meeting of the PDP held today, 14th of May 2025, at the Government House in Enugu. The Southeast Zonal Executive Committee of the People's Democratic Party met at the Government House in Enugu State today, Wednesday, 14th May 2025, to deliberate on the issue of the office of the National Secretary of our great party, PDP. You may recall that on 21st of March 2025, the Supreme Court brought to a close the protracted legal tussle over the position of the National Secretary of the PDP. The Apex Court, in its ruling, held that the issue of the leadership of a political party was the internal affairs of such a party, and that the court and INEC has no jurisdiction and ought not to interfere. Following the consideration of the report of the panel is set up to review the Supreme Court judgment, the PDP Governors Forum at its 14th April meeting 2025 in Ibadan, Oyo State, recommended that the Southeast PDP should nominate a candidate who will serve out the remaining tenure of the former National Secretary of the party zoned to the region. In adopting the PDP Governors Forum's recommendation, the NWC at its 600 meeting held at the party's National Secretariat, Wadata Plaza, Abuja, on April 29, 2025, directed the Southeast Zonal Executive Committee of our party to nominate a candidate for the office of the National Secretary accordingly. Today's meeting was therefore convened in accordance with this directive. Advising of the meeting, the ZEC resolved to issue the following communique. 1. The Southeast Zonal Executive Committee exhaustively deliberated on the directive of the NWC and came to the conclusion that it offered a sure pathway to peace, unity, stability, and progress of our party. Consequently, the ZEC unanimously recommends Honorable Sunday Udeh-Okoye as a candidate to complete the term of office of the National Secretary. 2. We also urge the NWC to uphold its decision at its 600 meeting on April 29, 2025 by ensuring that the Deputy National Secretary of PDP functions as the active National Secretary pending the ratification of the nominee for the office of the National Secretary by the National Executive Committee of our party, in line with the recommendations of the PDP Governors Forum and adopted by the NWC. The Southeast Zonal Executive Committee further noted that the zone has had to go through this process for the uptake time, unlike what obtains in the filling of vacant national offices by other zones. It is recalled that the Southeast Zonal Executive Committee met in October 2023 and nominated Right Honorable Udeh-Okoye to serve out the remaining term of the National Secretary. This position was reaffirmed during the February 20th, 2024 meeting of the PDP Southeast Zonal Executive Committee. We also reiterated this during the meeting of ZEC in Enugu on Friday, 25th of January 2025. The Southeast has consistently served as a stronghold of the PDP from the inception. In its near 3 decades existence, we have given our loyalty and all to the party. Currently, while the party has been losing key members post-2023 general election, the Southeast PDP is at the vanguard of strengthening the party by rallying major opposition figures in PDP poll. In Enugu State, for instance, the governorship candidate of the Labour Party is back to the PDP. 2 members of the House of Representatives who are sitting here with us today of the Labour Party is back to the PDP. 2 members of the House of Reps, yes, are equally back in the PDP from Labour Party. Furthermore, PDP seats in the Enugu State House of Assembly have grown from 10 at the inception of the Assembly to 20 today.